Yo, what is up, everybody? It is your boy, Beef Aviation 777. Today, we're back with another video. Today, we're doing an unboxing video, and here is the new airport. It looks so sick. It looks so good. Let me show you guys around. We got all the planes set up. We got British Airways, American, Lufthansa, United, Delta, Northwest, American. We have GSC as well on here as well. And then we got all the other planes here parked, the smaller planes. And yeah, it just looks so nice in general. It's gonna be so good when the airport is done. We just need to put an observation deck on the terminal, and then put a cargo area over here. And yeah, I hope you guys really liking the new airport. I've been working on this project for quite a while. And yeah, thank you guys for all the support. We're at 616 subscribers. Thank you so much. And keep up the support. So yeah, enough about the airport. We're just gonna unbox this guy right here. It's a really plane I really needed for a project. Here it is, yo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we go. Okay, we just do that. I've been wanting this plane for a while, actually, too. Sorry, guys. Got a little time here to get it out of here. Okay, here it is. The NG models, Delta, Boeing 757. Wow. This is an airplane I've been wanting for a long time. I needed this for Tampa. So here's the box. It looks very nice. I like how NG did the colors on this one. Besides the box. Very nice. In this special Marana Riviera livery. Represents the football, the New York Yankees, because of course Delta has a big base in New York. So yeah, let's take him out. This is my first time ever getting an NG Models 757. It's my first time ever getting one. And yes, let's take him out. Also, got another card from NG Models. Very nice. This is like an older style NG. They don't have like a pilot the foam anymore. They just have a regular plastic cradle like the other model retailers do. And, yo, wow, look at that. Put them down there. Wow, this thing is absolutely beautiful. I really like the mold on that one. It's so tiny. For some reason, it just looks so small compared to what you see in videos. Wow, look at that. Look at the detail. It looks absolutely beautiful. So Delta, they got the 757, the 200 in 1982. They're one of the first carriers to get it. And they're one of the largest operators of this plane. One of the oldest ones. They fly to Tampa, of course. They fly them from Atlanta all the time. They bring like 2 or 3 of them a day, or even more. And yeah, this is a really nice model. NG absolutely nailed this model. This is my first time I've ever seen it. It's really good. So starting with the cockpit windows of the 757, got the cockpit area. It was one of the most technologically advanced aircraft in the time. And we got that special logo, we got the SkyTeam logo, we got the beautiful Delta logo, we got the first door, and you got the Wi-Fi box with your first class area, then the Pratt & Whitney 2000 engines, and we got the wings, very detailed with the flap, so glad that I got this aircraft because I've been needing one. I've been wanting one for a long time. So yeah, here it is. Let me get a little views of it. Do it from the top. There's the landing gear. Looks so detailed from NG. The landing gear looks so nice. Looks so good. And yeah, that's the unboxing of this NG Delta 757, and I'll give you guys another walk around of the airport. So yeah, it's really nice. We got all the wide bodies here in the proper spots. And it looks so good with the jet bridges and the ground surface equipment. Yeah, look at that. It looks so realistic. And all just with a little creativity, not just buying everything, spending thousands of dollars. All with creativity. It really makes a difference if you just make your own things instead of just buying everything. I'm serious, guys. I understand that you guys want to keep buying everything, but it's just ridiculous. Just making things is so much better. Yeah, this terminal is so huge compared to what you see. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video of this unboxing of this beautiful Delta 757-200, and I really love this model. It's so beautiful from NG models. They absolutely killed the mold. Looks so good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I apologize, it's been a little while. It's just because of school and getting the airport ready. But yeah, I think this airport will be ready in the next couple weeks because I have finals and everything to do, and after that we can work more on the airport. So you can expect to see this airport ready with the other layout in the next couple weeks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.